Today I'm going to show you how to delete an email address from Gmail memory so Gmail stops suggesting that address when you start typing. This is a quick and easy way to clean up old or incorrect contacts, and it can help keep your autofill suggestions more accurate. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This will take you to Google Contacts, which is where Gmail stores many of the saved email addresses it remembers. Once the page loads, sign in with the same Gmail account that you use in your email. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account on your device. After you're signed in, look at the left side menu and click on Other Contacts. This section is important because it contains email addresses that Gmail has saved automatically from people you've emailed before, even if you never officially added them as a contact. Now browse through the list and find the email address you want to remove from Gmail memory. When you hover over that contact, you should see a three-dot menu appear. Click those three dots to open the options. From the menu, click Delete. Gmail will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove this contact. Click Delete again to confirm the removal. Once you do that, the email address should be deleted from Google Contacts, and it should no longer appear in Gmail suggestions the next time you type an email address. If it still shows up immediately, give it a little time and refresh your browser or check that you deleted it from the correct Google account. That's all there is to it. You've now removed an email address from Gmail memory using Google Contacts. If this tutorial saved you some time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and Google account tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.